Okay, now we're going to look at present value, financial maths, and we're just going to really learn how to work the formula. It actually comes from the future value formula exactly, but what's happened is we've divided by 1 plus I to the nth power. So the future value is really p, the present value, times 1 plus I to the nth power. And if you divide both sides by it, that's where the P comes, the present value. So this is kind of like your initial investment, but it's used whenever they say the word loan. So if you take out a loan, this is the formula you use to figure out the payments and how many payments you make or the interest rate. All for loans or mortgages, that sort of thing. That's when we use present value. Let's look at a problem. Say Sipo takes out a loan and he makes monthly payments of 200 Rand for 2 years at a per annum interest rate of 6%. Well, how much was the loan that he took out that he could afford to if he was making 200 Rand payments at that interest rate? Well, it's so easy. X is 200. X is the payment you make. So you put 200 in there. He did it for 2 years, so it's monthly, so it's 2 times 12. There's 24 months in 2 years. Okay, so N is 24. And I, the interest rate, is 6% divided by 12 because it's monthly. All you do is replace I with 0.06 over 12, N with 24, and X with 200, and type it into your calculator so that it looks exactly like this in that natural display. You press equals, and out comes exactly what his loan must have been. If you have a loan of 4,500 Rand and 12 Rand and 57 cents, you can pay it off in exactly, that'll pay off in exactly 24 payments of 200 Rand. Well, there you go. Let's take a look at another problem. Say Sipo takes out a loan of 100,000 and he makes monthly payments for 5 years at a per annum interest rate of 7.5%. What are those monthly payments? Well, P is 100,000. I is 0.075 times 12, the 7.5% divided by 12. 5 years is 5 times 12. That's N is 60. There'll be 60 payments. All you do is you go P is 100,000. The I parts are 0.07 over 12. And N is 5 times 12 is 60. So this is the formula you have. And then all you do is go 100,000 and then divide it by this that you type into your calculator. I actually put 100,000, then I put it over, and I type in exactly that, and I press equals, and I get exactly what those payments are going to have to be: 2,003 Rand and 79 cents. And just you got to practice this. Put 100,000 into your calculator, and then divide by exactly this in your calculator, and you'll get this answer right here. So that's how we use present value. And remember, it's just for whenever they say loans, the present value. So if you take out a loan right now, what are your payments going to be? That's the value of the loan. That's that P there right now. Okay, I hope this helps. Whoops.